Okay guys, on this video, you know this Hootsuite is a free version. If you want to do more, or maybe you're a social media manager, you want to connect many accounts, you're managing many accounts, then you can go on the pro version. The pro version I think should be 9,000 per month, then about 80,000 per year. So if you are working up on about 10 social media accounts or 5, and you are earning not less than 100k from each, there's nothing big in from all. Maybe each of them is paying you 20k to manage. You can actually get a pro version of this, because it's 80k per year. So you can just use 1 month and get for a year, and you'll be maximizing it. You can add a lot of accounts to it. You just be scheduling one post and keep it going. So you can see this is stream. This is where we are, and there's nothing found on this stream here. You can see this is where we compose our post, and this is the publisher. So now let's go back. This publisher, this is where it will be showing you the scheduled and the social accounts connected and your calendar. So now let's go to compose, and let's compose our first test. So first you connect the social media accounts. I'll click on both of them, then I'll click on the arrow button to go back. I'll go back. You can see I already picked both of them. So I think this Hootsuite works for only media. I'm not for pictures. I'm not sure if it works for, but you can give it a try. Do so. Now I'm going to write, we are good at what we do. That's it for the text. So now I'm going to pick my photo. So I'll pick my picture, the picture I want to use, give it, allow it, then I'll pick this. You can see I picked it. So you can decide to add location. So I think you can see, so you can decide to edit the post if there is any objection to what is there. So I can decide to add location to it. I will add location so that it will appear on the post. So I can decide to go with this very one. Let's click and see, enter a short link to shorten it, so I can save it after drag. So what I'm going to do is to nest. I will nest to schedule the post. On submission, videos to scale the image resolution slightly without a perceivable loss on quality. No issue. Click on continue. So if you click on schedule now, it means the post is going to be scheduled right away on your Instagram account. So let's click schedule now and see. Remember, we are publishing to both the page and the Insta. You see publish. So let's go and confirm. Let's go to our Instagram account and Facebook to see if this has been scheduled. You can see this is a post that has been scheduled. So you can see this is a post. You can see these are right up. We are good at what we do. So that's it. So now let's go with the second one. And if you take a look at what I'm doing, you can see the color I'm using is in line with the brand color. I'm trying to brand this. So my next post may be this same color. I can decide to use just this format of color on the brand, or I can decide to go with the second color, of which I've made plans for that. So let me make another post. No, let's confirm our Facebook page first to see if we have the post on our Facebook page. So let's go to our Facebook page, go to page, go to, what's it called, Kingsword. Let's check, let's confirm if our post was published. You can see it was directly published. So this is how you can ease yourself the stress off. So now one thing you should understand is how to schedule posts. So I don't want to overwhelm you with this video, so I'll pause it now and do another video. Now you can go about scheduling multiple posts at the same time to ease yourself.